This is how you're going to cancel ManyChat Pro. So if you no longer need the Pro features, you can downgrade your account to the free version of at any time. So here are the steps to do that. First, you're going to click on settings or the gear icon right here at the left side menu. And then from the settings page, you're going to head over to the billing section. Under the billing section, you're going to click on subscriptions. And then from here, under your current plan, you're just going to click on cancel subscription, downgrade to free, or just click on disable right here. So it all depends on the layout of your ManyChat, but in my case it shows here disable, so you're just going to click on disable right here, and then you're going to click on disable once again to confirm this choice. And that is how you're going to cancel ManyChat Pro. Your account will stay pro until the end of your current billing cycle, but for some, you might not have you will lose access to all marketing automation pro features, especially if you are on free trial. So you can you get to stay pro until the end of your current billing cycle if you are currently paying for the premium account, but if you're under the free trial, then you will lose all of the access once you cancel. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.